Hi everyone, we're going to simplify each radical expression in simplest radical form. We're going to use our factoring facts to help us do this, the formulas. So we'll get started. For this one has this form right here. So we're going to use that, and I'm going to write this as A equals square root of 5 and B equals square root of 4. So this is your A plus B squared. And I'm just going to put it in this formula. So I'm going to do this. You see what I did? Everywhere there was a variable, I just put parentheses. Now A goes here, so A square root of 5. A also goes here. B goes here. And B also goes here. So I just filled in the formula. Square root of 5 squared is just 5, because that would be square root of 5 times square root of 5, which is square root of 25, which equals 5, and so forth. Okay, plus I have 2, square root of 4 is just 2, so that's 2 and square root of 5. And same thing here, square root of 4 squared is just 4. So I can add 5 and 4 and get 9. And 2 times 2 is 4, square root of 5. And that's all you can do. This is like saying 9 plus 4x. You cannot combine unlike terms. Okay, the next one is the same thing, but it has a minus. So let me just write that. That's going to be a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So again, we're going to write this out. A equals the square root of 5. B equals the square root of 4. And we just use this formula. And what I do is I just write out A squared. I put parentheses. Everywhere there's a variable, put the little square there. Now plug in your A. Your A is square root of 5, square root of 5. And plug in your B, square root of 4, square root of 4. So square root of 5 squared is 5 minus 2. Square root of 4 is just 2. Square root of 5. And square root of 4 squared is just 4. So in this case, we're going to have 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 4 square root of 5. And the last one has this form. So this is your A plus B, A minus B. So all you're going to do is let A equals square root of 5 and B equals square root of 4. And I'm going to write this formula down. A squared minus B squared. So I put parentheses there, and I substitute A, which is square root of 5, and I substitute B with square root of 4. Now square root of 5 squared is 5, square root of 4 squared is 4, so my final answer is 1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.